The world of online business is evolving rapidly, and AI is at the forefront of this revolution. Gone are the days when you needed to spend hours writing content, coding websites, or brainstorming business ideas. With DeepSeek, making money online has never been easier. DeepSeek is an advanced AI model that helps automate tasks, generate high quality content, and assist with coding and web development. Today, we're going to dive into the 5 best ways you can make money online using DeepSeek. Stay till the end for a bonus tip that can skyrocket your online earnings. Number 5, AI powered freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money online, and DeepSeek can be your ultimate secret weapon. Use DeepSeek to create high quality blog posts, copywriting, and email marketing content. Offer AI generated content services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Develop AI chatbots for businesses to enhance customer support and automation. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for AI enhanced content and automation solutions, so why not be the one providing them? Number 4, social media monetization. Social media is a goldmine for online earnings, and DeepSeek can help you create viral content effortlessly. Use DeepSeek to generate captivating captions, tweets, and posts for Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Automate and schedule engaging content to grow your audience quickly. Monetize through brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and paid promotions. AI-driven content creation saves time and boosts engagement, helping you turn social media into a money-making machine. Number 3, selling digital products. Imagine making money while you sleep. DeepSeek makes it incredibly easy to create and sell digital products. Some of the best-selling digital products include ebooks on niche topics, guides and templates like social media templates and business plans, and printables such as planners, worksheets, and digital art. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, and Etsy make it simple to reach a global audience and create passive income. Number 2, YouTube automation. Want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? DeepSeek has you covered. Use DeepSeek to generate video scripts and titles that are optimized for engagement. Automate thumbnails, descriptions, and trending topic research. Combine stock footage, AI voiceovers, and video editing tools to create high-quality videos. Monetize through YouTube AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The best part, you can scale multiple faceless channels and make passive income. Number 1, web development. AI-powered web development is revolutionizing the industry, and DeepSeek can make you a top earner in this field. DeepSeek can automate coding tasks and generate optimized code. It can assist in building websites faster and more efficiently. It can provide AI-powered debugging and problem-solving. To make money with this, offer web development services on freelance platforms, create and sell custom website templates, or develop and flip websites for profit. Bonus tip: AI consulting services. With DeepSeek's capabilities, you can position yourself as an AI consultant, helping businesses leverage AI to automate their workflows. You can offer AI-powered business automation strategies, AI-driven content creation consulting, and AI chatbot development and optimization. AI consulting is a high-ticket service, and businesses are willing to pay big bucks for expert advice. DeepSeek is truly a game changer when it comes to making money online. Whether you're freelancing, monetizing social media, selling digital products, automating YouTube, or diving into web development, this AI tool can give you the edge you need to succeed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like first and then subscribe to HowToHub for more game-changing ideas. Let us know in the comments, which method will you try first?